What's up YouTube, it's KBG.Cleveland. Welcome back to another banger video. Before this video even starts, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the bell to get notified when I post, so you can see every single time I post, whenever I post, exactly when I post it. But in today's video, I got a little prank for y'all, right? Okay, so I ordered some sage blood off Amazon where you can just put it in your mouth, and you know, it looks real, pause. I saw a lot of YouTubers use it, so I thought I would give it a shot. I'm gonna go tell my little sister that we're doing some other type of video on YouTube, but in reality, I'm ready to be pranking her. I'll put the sage blood in my mouth, and I'm gonna fake like I'm coughing up blood, and I'm gonna see what she does. I'm gonna see how she reacts. I'm gonna see if she tries to save my life, if she just leave me there to lay out and bleed out. I don't know what she's gonna do. But without any more talking, let's get straight into the video right after this intro.
I just be ballin' like swoosh. Put the ice on my neck. 25th, I just spent the check. Trash Rollie, I just wanna protect. Fuck on your bitch like a banner. Feed your bitch my banana. Sold out first show in Atlanta. Jet blue, I be flying like Santa. Ay, I just be ballin' like swoosh. Put the ice on my neck. 25th, I just spent the check. Trash Rollie, I just wanna protect. Fuck on your bitch like a banner. Feed your bitch my banana. Sold out first show in Atlanta. Jet blue, I be flying like Santa. Ay.
What's up, y'all? I know it's been a minute. I know I haven't seen y'all in a minute. Don't look at the Dewey, okay? There's something under the... We're not gonna get into that. But today I'm here with
Saria.
This is my little sister. Y'all probably seen her in the Momo prank. I'm sorry, I don't have corona. Y'all probably saw her in the Momo prank. But we're gonna do this other video today. Today's video is a little bit different. I'm gonna just explain to y'all what we're doing. We're both gonna be asking each other questions. Whoever gets the most points at the end of the game wins. The loser has to eat a raw egg. Okay?
Ew.
Okay? Alright. So the first question is my favorite color orange? Alright, turn. And it has to only be yes or no question. Yes, okay, alright, that's a point, okay. Ask me this.
Is my favorite color purple?
Oh, yeah. Yes?
No.
It's not? No, what is it?
It's blue.
Oh, I could have sworn it was purple.
That's Dreamless.
Can you give me a water real quick?
That's not my favorite color. Ew. Ooh, that's nasty.
Go get a napkin.
Got someone eating? That's disgusting. You're gonna stain the carpet.
Here, Saria, I need your help.
Yeah? Grab what?
Huh?
Ew. Did you get it on me?
Come here. Look at. I need you to press on my chest.
How do you do this? I don't know CPR. What fifth grade?
Just press on my chest, Saria. Yes? 30 compressions,
Like
two
this?
breaths, yeah.
Ew.
Go get another napkin.
Get one more there. Here you go, get your stain. Blood stains all over me. Look at the carpet. And look at your shirt. Everything's a mess.
I'm coughing up blood.
That's disgusting. I need a napkin. Here.
Can you press my back? Can you hit my back?
Like this?
Yeah. I think it. Don't tell your dad about this.
Okay.
Alright, I think good. Oh my gosh. Alright, you can sit back down. I'll go throw a sweat.
Ew. It's disgusting. I have to get another piece of paper like this. Get this out quick.
Oh my god. Look at this. This looks so blue. It's a prank. You're not gonna help me. You are.
No.
What do you mean, though?
Disgusting.
You just gonna leave me there talking about I got blood on the carpet? Not even gonna help me out?
No.
What is wrong
That's
with you?
disgusting.
All right, listen. Just in case that ever happens and I need CPR, 30 compressions, 2 breaths. Okay, 30 compressions. So how do you feel? Did it look real?
No.
Look at my arm.
Dark.
Your blood's dark before it comes out of your body. Look at my arm.
Yeah, but it's not usually that dark.
Yeah,
It's
your
super dark.
blood's that dark in your body.
You got stains all over.
Look at this. It comes out. Y'all, I just pranked her. How do you feel?
Mad.
That actually looks like a cut. So when I was laying right there, were you just gonna let me die?
No.
You were.
Well, I would probably get up and call 911 if your like heart stopped beating.
But then I'm dead. If my heart stops beating, I'm already dead. Got on the Momo prank, got on this one. If you haven't seen the one from the Momo prank, click the link up here. I'll see y'all in the next video.
Did this,